Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto croissants. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring they are at room temperature for optimal mixing. We'll start by combining the dry ingredients thoroughly in a large bowl. This step is crucial for an even distribution of the leavening agents and flavorings. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients separately before slowly incorporating them into the dry mixture. This method helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth, workable dough. Creating the keto croissant dough involves a unique approach. You'll melt mozzarella and cream cheese together, then blend in almond flour, psyllium husk powder, and an egg to form a cohesive dough. This cheese-based dough is key to its low-carb nature. After mixing, roll the dough out to about 1/4 of an inch thick between two sheets of parchment paper. This prevents sticking and helps achieve an even thickness, which is vital for the next steps. Now for the fun part, shaping your croissants. Take your rolled-out dough and cut it into large triangles. Starting from the widest end of each triangle, gently roll it up towards the point to form that classic crescent shape. Place your shaped croissants on a parchment-lined baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for approximately 15 to 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. For best results, serve your keto croissants warm from the oven. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. To enjoy them later, simply reheat them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes until warmed through. For more great tips, and to find the link to *The Simple Path to Wealth*, check the description below, along with other exclusive deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade keto croissants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.